Hey, hey. So welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. As you can tell by the title down below, I'm going to be doing a twist out on my hair using some homemade flaxseed oil, just the plain flaxseed gel. I'm going to be mixing it with some oils that I have, some essential oils that I have to try and stimulate my scalp and also offer me something or somewhat more of a more natural alternative to what I've been using. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair. Just do a shampoo, a simple shampoo on my hair, and then I will come back and add a couple of essential oils to my mixtures here, and I'll add it here to the bowl. And then I'm gonna be using a fork to like kind of mix it up. If you have like a hand mixer, that probably would be better, but I don't have one, so I'm gonna use a fork. Okay, and you see I chose a fork instead of a spoon because the fork has the prongs, and I feel like that may give me more of a whipping sensation. And then I'm also gonna massage my scalp to try and get rid of flakes as well as stimulate growth by stimulating the blood flow to my scalp. Okay, so let's get started. Alright friends, so I'm back. I have washed my hair clean of all of the shampoo, and I did it outside of the shower. Like, I stood outside of the shower. I don't have a detachable shower head, so I am pretty pleased with the fact that I didn't wet everything up. The floor is still dry. My sleeves are a little wet, but you think I win, you can take a win. See, yeah? Okay. So I do have my essential oils here. I'm going to be using tea tree oil for the antifungal properties that it can offer to my scalp. I want to add some type of scent to it, so I will be using rosemary as well. I think it's also antifungal. I think I remember saying that last night, but it was like 3 o'clock in the morning, so who knows. My eyes were just like blurry. I do have sweet orange oil as well, and I like the scent of that, so I think I might be using... Yeah, I like the scent of it. It smells like an orange. So I may be using that depending on what the tea tree and the rosemary smells like. I also have eucalyptus that I'm going to be adding to the... You got to be real careful with eucalyptus. Eucalyptus has a very strong scent. So, don't kid yourself, okay? I poured the lesser of the two mixtures into a white bowl, and here's the consistency of my gel. Pretty jelly, huh? Pretty jelly, huh? And so, like I said before, I'm going to be doing the twist out with it. This is all trial and error, so bear with me, okay? Ouch. So I'm going to go ahead and add tea tree oil. That's the consistency of it before the oils are added. So I'm going to go ahead and add the tea tree oil now. So I'm going to add 3 to 4 drops of each. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, may have been 5. This is an approximation, okay? So, and don't forget, flax seeds, once you boil them, they do give off a slight scent of their own. So you want to try to mix things that accommodate each other. Like if they clash, it's gonna be real weird for you to be walking around smelling like that, especially if you don't like the scent. Okay, I'm gonna add rosemary. I love that color on that bottle. I wish you could focus, but it's not. Whatever, it's not focusing. So rosemary is very strong scent as well, so I don't think I've used any of this. 1, 2, oh, whoa, shit. Don't do what I just did, okay? That was legit like 20 drops, but whatever. I'm also gonna add my eucalyptus. Okay. Eucalyptus. At this point, I don't know what drops of what I'm adding, okay? I'm just gonna add some more tea tree because I feel like I done added some more everything else. I gotta be fur. Gotta be fur. Just to be fair. I'm assuming that's gonna change the consistency of the, oh shit. I'm assuming that that's gonna change the consistency of this gel just a little bit, but I'm still hoping that it's enough for me to finger through my hair. I'm also going to try and not use a comb of any type. I'm going to try to do some finger detangling once I'm applying my leave-in conditioner. So, yeah. Okay, here we are. This is what my hair is looking like. This mix is smelling extremely interesting right now, but we're going to see how it goes. So I'm going to mix it up. Here's the Cantu Shea Butter leave-in that I'll be using. And with this Cantu Shea Butter leave-in, again, it looks to be the same as the other Cantus. It's the men's collection, so it smells like a man. I don't know what I'm gonna be smelling like this upcoming week, but whatevs. Okay. I'm gonna go through and do this to the rest of my hair, and I'll be back. Okay? Okay. Hey, I'm back. I finished the whole process of my hair. Didn't use a comb, didn't use a brush. I just literally finger detangled. So much so that your girl hands is looking like prunes. I was staring at the viewfinder that whole time. My bad. But yeah, my hands are looking like prunes. So I was able to go through the process that I did on the strands that felt still just a little bit too dry. I added some more of the Cantu leave-in conditioner, the flaxseed gel that I made. I ended up using very little of that, which was, I guess, good. But now I gotta find a place to store it because I don't want to put it back in that glass jar. Oh, I'm sorry. And then I added some oil to kind of seal it in. I was attempting to do the LCO method because I know that method works well for low porosity hair in general, and more specifically I found that it works well for my hair as well. So with that being said, I went through and I did all 3 of those steps, and I finger detangled each section. I parted my hair into 3 sections, and then I put 4 chunky twists in each section. So that's 12. And then each one of those chunky twists I split into 2. So in total I have 24 twists in my hair. Probably one of the only times that I ever know how many twists I actually have in my head. But about this process and this flaxseed oil and this flaxseed gel or something, I don't know, it was just super watery and super messy. Like my shirt, my pants, everything is just super messy. The whole process was messy as hell. But that's it for now. I guess I'm gonna wait for it to dry. I'm gonna let it dry overnight because